Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about integration, and we are going to also create one between Monday.com and HubSpot. As you can see, it's 2nd of January of 2023, so a lot of things have happened in Zapier, and we need to create a new video about it. So the start is pretty much the same. On the top left side at Zapier.com, once you create your account, it's this plus option, which is option for creating a Zap. We're gonna click there. Still on top left, even though it's a little bit different UI-wise, we can name our Zap. So just like this, for example, or we can be more precise and go Monday HubSpot, for example, and you see your changes were also saved. The trigger, we want to start with a first one, which is Monday.com. Let's choose Monday. Then we need to pick an event. We have 6 to pick from, but we are going with a new user. We hit continue. Then we are about to check the account. I'm gonna go with Monday.com account that I was using last year. We're gonna hit it, continue, and now we are about to test our trigger. As you can see, so far we are getting green flags. That's what you should aim for as well. And once you test your trigger, let's move to the actions. The action is HubSpot. Or action app is HubSpot. Right now, what should happen in HubSpot once you add a new user in Monday? It will create a contact, for example. We hit next, and then we have to connect to HubSpot. Just sign in, your email, password, and also if you want to remember or not. At the moment, I don't own a HubSpot account so far as I remember. So just right after you sign in with your HubSpot, you will click continue, and then you will create the Zap, or you will create the integrations. It's really easy. You don't really won't have any types of problem of finishing it on your own. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.